Welcome back, Dirty Curty here, and we are checking that water heater. All right, so for the year 2022, holy crap, wow. All right, well, the Marvel Annual 2020 to 2021 cards came out. I got 2 boxes right here we're going to go ahead and open. Happy New Year, everyone. Let's have a good one, right? We need something good. All right, anyways, we're going to look at this real fast. So, you got Iron Man, She-Hulk, Captain America, Captain Marvel, Ghost Rider, Black Panther, standing in front of a, looks like a statue in like an old relic area. Kind of looks like Star-Lord's helmet, but you see the jungle growing around it. Kind of neat. So, explore a momentous year in comics. 1 premium insert per pack on average. 5 cards per pack, 16 packs per box. Here's the back of it. Here's some cards. You want to read that? There's, can't really see because the upper deck logo is in the way. I'm just going to rip this plastic off. Alright. Let's see it again. There you go. You can see all the fun stuff. Now, for our purposes, holograms, printing plates, 1 to 32 packs. Okay. Let's give it a try. No purchase necessary to win an insert card. To enter without purchase. Hey. Without purchase. There you go. Well, let's take a look. And if there's still a sticker. Alright, rip this tape off real fast. Hold on. Killing the box. I think. Alright. Oh. Ooh. Alright. So the artwork for this is pretty different, huh? Let's take a look. So these just dropped January 12th, I believe. I got this soon after. Very cool artwork. Blades on that. Was Blade on this one? No. Blade's right there. Okay, cool. Thor with 1 eye. Other Thor here. Very cool. Upper Deck. Let's do it. Show us what you got, Upper Deck. We're going to just start opening right away. Oop. Let me just focus the camera so you guys can see what's going to happen. So I have done these Marvel Annuals before. Take a look at them. They're on my other channels. I think they were the mystery box. Yeah, they're the ones that come in the mystery box. Got a bunch of those Marvel mystery boxes before. So they look just like this with the red outline. These look less great than last year's. The numbers in the annual used to shine. Kind of cheaped out, huh? These are not shiny at all. You got the Upper Deck and the corner shiny, but that's about it. No reflections. They look kind of crappily cut too. Alright. Nyx. Star-Lord, like we were just talking about. Doesn't kind of look, it actually kind of looks like a Stormtrooper helmet now, huh? Oh well. Oop, I was trying to tap this card to focus. X-23. There you go. And this is your 1 premium insert. Star Rookies. Emperor Doric the 8th. Interesting. Young Avenger. Okay, and Storm. X-Men. Excellent. Alright. Well, that's the first of 16, so let's just keep going, huh? Not really sure what we're going to find. Like I said, we looked at the insert. 1 in 32 for printing plates. Hologram parallel, sparkling foil board parallels, creator corner autographs, battle booklet sketches, sketch cards. 132. Okay. Well, those aren't bad odds. Not bad at all. American Chavez. Magic. If you got these cards, you like them better? Like I like the old ones so far. Here we go. Humble Beginnings, Scarlet Witch. Scarlet Witch is always great, especially because she's in the MCU. This is the beginning, December 1967, Avengers 47. Look at that. And then this is recent, so it's star number 2, February 2020. Hulkling has the last card. So that's cool. At the back of this Humbling Beginnings. Enemy of the X-Men, along her brother, Quicksilver, Maximus, reconsidered her allegiances and joined the Avengers. That is the story of Scarlet Witch. Cool. Alright, what else we got? Next pack. Always on look for... Who are we talking about? Come on. Of course. Wolverine. I would like some kind of Wolverine card. I haven't done Marvel in a while. I was doing some of those Pokemon cards for a while. That was fun. Because they're available, you know? Come on now. She-Hulk. And I love opening cards. And thinking about the 90s. Rocket Raccoon. And here's your variant. Ooh, that's cool. What is that? Annual Impact, it says. Immortal Hulk. The last one's Magneto. Nice. Let's look at this Immortal Hulk. Very cool. These cards just looks weird where they cut them. I don't know. Moving on. Next pack. What is that? That was 3. 13. This is number 12. 12 left after this. Number 4 in more pack. Let's do this. Dr. Voodoo! Caroline Dean. Hey, number 1 spot. Winter. Or Falcon and Winter Soldier. Comic-Con? No. Oh, that's just Comic-Con. Font, isn't it? Wasp. And Black Widow. Oh, I'm sorry. They look good. More cartoony this time around, huh? Alright, so this is number 1 card. And number 1 for the comic. N1S19. So there's at least 19 number 1 comics. There we go. That's how we figured that one out. At least. There's another number that makes it higher. What? Well, granted that is above 19. Alright. Bishop. Rocking an orange suit. Kind of weird. Alright. Cable. Young looking with a Buster sword. Cloud Strife would be pissed. What's this? Another Humble Beginnings. Are you serious? Wow. Another Scarlet Witch. That's funny. Chase Sting. And Daredevil. Like, what are the odds of 2 Humble Beginnings for the premium inserts? Well, I can tell you the Humble Beginnings odds. Here they are. Mine just fall 1 to 1. That doesn't make sense. Alright. Cable. I would get it every pack. Venom. That's really cool. Look at that. That's a cool drawing. I like it. Dr. Voodoo again. Here's the variant. Wait. What the hell is going on? Alright, we had Immortal Hulk. This is Hulkling. Okay. And Morbius. Jared Leto's new movie, right? I don't know. We'll see. I might see it. Not gonna pay for it. I mean, like, I'm not going to go to theaters for it. Wait for HBO or something to stream it. Next pack, Mirage. Rocket Raccoon again. Ooh, Carnage. That's really cool. Isn't that terrifying? Wicked. Look at that. Annual Impact again. And Gertrude Yorks. Gertrude Yorks. Alright. Next pack. I lost count. So we're pretty much just counting down at this point anyways, right? We're less than 10. Alright. Spider-Woman. Chase again. Hey, there's another number. Oh, I got another card behind here. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Splash-tacular. Hologram card. I can't barely see what the hell is going on. Empire. X-Men number 2. Wow. Alright. Gwen Stacy is the next one. A little Norman Rockwell kind of art. An Orphan Maker. What a fucking... Sorry, excuse me. What a name, huh? Orphan Maker? Well, a little rude, right? Hope he's a bad guy. I'm gonna see this cool hologram up. S3. Alright. Cool. Moving on. Moving on. Moving on. No Wolverines. A few X-Men. Not a lot of X-Men. A lot of Avengers. Spider-Man. The Spider-Man. Spider-Man Noir. I like that. Nicolas Cage in the Spideyverse. I do love that movie. There's a sequel. Yeah. I had no idea. That's going to be fun. Null? Knull? Why does he have like a spider on him? Was an ancient entity and evil. He broke free after Carnage's death. Huh, cool. It's just weird. Black Cat. Looking good. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, card number 1 right here. Scream. I love how the hair kind of covers up the card border. That's very cool. Open up the next one. Luna Snow. There's another Spider-Man. Oh, I guess number 2, huh? Number 1 Spider-Man 2019, apparently. Cool. Mary Jane, speak of which. And Kermit. Okay. Looks like I have like 6 more. Nice. So that was our 10th pack. Yay! The new year. 10th pack of the new year, people. We gotta make this year ours. Ours. Alright, Winter Soldier. Gwen Stacy. Hey, another Humble Beginnings. Captain Marvel. And now the Captain Marvel. That's cool. 2 Captain Marvels. Swordmaster. And Fing Fang Foom. Oh, he looks really sad and depressed in that one. I don't like that picture of Fing Fang Foom. Nope, not a fan. Like when he's a dragon, not caged up and looks a little too humanoid for my liking. Cosmic Ghost Rider, that's cool. That's really cool. Oh, Orphan Maker, jeez. Wiccan, again, another double. Celestial Messiah. Oh, Nova. Alright, 4 more packs left. I'll just pull them up so I can get them easily. Now, can I say I played that Guardians of the Galaxy video game? So much fun. Highly recommend it. Give it a try. Great story. A lot of fun options. Apparently I did it the worst way possible, but you know what? I loved every minute of it. Spider-Man, nice. Why are the numbers in a different spot? Oh, that's the comic book. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. There's another number 1 and Scalp Hunter. That's a name, huh? Scalp Hunter. Okay. Pack, open it up. Whoa. Malik. Swordmaster again. Helion's number 1 spot. Moon Knight. We're going to see him soon. Sunspot. Moon Knight. Oscar Isaac, I believe. Poe Dameron, right? That's the one. Dune. That was good. Enjoyed Dune. You guys like Dune? I did. X-23. That was in the first pack. Polaris. Vision. Extinction Entity. That's really cool. That's terrifying. And Miles Morales. Must be an older one. Nice. Still no crazy X-Men. A lot of Spider-Man, huh? A lot of Spider-Man. Alright, last pack. Captain America. That's card number 1. Hey, there's a sleeve in here. Yeah, see that? So a sleeve Prodigy. Oh, it's a print. Oh, cool. 1 of 1. Angel. Look at that. Printing plate. Oh, that's awesome. Never got a printing plate. I've seen them. Oh, it's cool too. It's Angel. I don't think we got Angel yet. That's really cool. Look at that. Well, nicely take it out of the sleeve because I want to feel it. Don't judge me. So it's not metal. Oh, it is sheet metal. Cool. That's awesome. Win! Alright. That's cool. Printing plate of Angel. Awesome. That's a win. That's a big win right there. Was that the last play? Wow. X of Swords. There's a Wolverine. Hey. No. Yeah, it is. It's a Wolverine. Dakin. His son. Close. But hey, printing plate. Come on. How cool is that, right? Well, you know what? That was awesome. We're going to take a little break here. I'll open the next box in the next video. That was a lot of fun. That was a great break. Nicely done. We got a nice plethora. I'll show you. They all go in cases, don't worry. Alright. Well, join us next time. We'll open up the next box of the Marvel Annuals 2020-2021. Just came out on Tuesday. Or on the 12th. Pretty sure it was Tuesday. Not sure though. Alright. Well, anyways, Dirty Curty here. And we were checking that water heater. See you next time. Like and subscribe. Alright? I'll see ya.